The print function in Python is essential for displaying output. It helps in debugging by showing variable values and program flow. Syntax involves calling print with arguments like strings or variables. Practical applications include creating user-friendly interfaces and logging information. Understanding print is crucial for effective programming and communication with users. The print function is fundamental in Python, serving as the first tool for output. Its syntax is straightforward, allowing you to display information easily. Practical applications include debugging and enhancing user interaction in programs. Mastering print is essential for effective communication between your code and its users. The print function is Python's built-in tool for displaying output, converting objects to strings for console display. It's crucial for debugging by showing variable values and program flow. It supports multiple data types, including numbers, strings, and lists, facilitating user interaction with informative messages. Every Python programmer relies on print to understand code behavior. Printing a string directly to the console is the simplest form of output. Displaying variable contents helps understand program state. Combining multiple values in a single print statement is efficient. For example, print hello, world, print student name, and print name, student name, age, student age demonstrate these concepts effectively.